Morning! We're back on the mountains and we're gonna go skiing! The weather is so nice this week, so hopefully we can ski a lot. But it hasn't snowed, so we... it hasn't... skeptical. Yeah, it's not gonna snow anytime soon. And I'm losing my voice as well, but we'll see how it goes. But the weather is like perfect. We're taking the cabin. On appelle ça une cabine, no? Cable car. We're taking the cable car to some other slopes that we haven't tried last time. The last one to get here was really hard, but
that was my fault.
But we made it.
There was 2 slopes and I chose the wrong one, so basically it was very hard for...
Ah, ça y est, la dernière aussi, il y avait 2, je crois.
No.
I didn't know that.
No, but to be honest, even the second choice was bad, I guess. It's, you know, when they like join, that was the other one.
J'ai pas vu. But we made it. Pour retourner, il n'y a pas besoin de refaire cette piste, non?
Non.
C'est bon alors. C'est là que ça vient.
Voilà. Au moins une fois, on est d'accord.
Hi guys! It's currently, I can't even see my phone. It's currently 11:30 and we're gonna have lunch. It was so nice. The weather is so nice. I might have like a sunburn. I did put on sunscreen, but the sun is like really strong. But we just had some sandwiches, a Coke Zero, and this is a Rivella. This is like a Swiss drink. It's really good. We're gonna eat. The view is so nice. It's in the afternoon and we just came back home. It's currently 2 p.m. We went out pretty early this morning to go skiing. We were like on the slopes around 9 a.m. So we did ski quite a lot today. I'm so tired, but that was so good. I fell once. On one of the slopes, it was like, I don't know how you call it in English. There were like some bumps with a bunch of like soft snow. So I kind of got caught into it and I fell. It wasn't a bad fall, but I lost one of my ski and I couldn't get it back on for some reason. And I was like, oh my God, I hope it's not broken. Like, what if it's not adapted to my weight anymore? Like, kept like sliding back up. But then I figured that I just had to like push it down. I forgot about that, so kind of stressful. But other than that, like, it was really good. We went on some other slopes that we didn't do last time. There's quite a lot of people actually, surprisingly. I think maybe British people are on holiday still, I'm not really sure, but it's a Monday, so it was more crowded than last time for sure. We're gonna rest a little bit now and later go back out to run some errands and buy some groceries because we wanted to buy them on the way, but they didn't have any storage for our skis, so we had to like take them back home. And I think we're gonna do the back and forth. Not the best, but It's alright. Yeah, that's it. We just came back from the groceries. My coffee. I think it's like already done. That's too bad. That means I have to like wake up even earlier to see the sunrise. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm gonna get ready now and gonna try to be like first on the slopes. And yeah, I'm super tired, but I slept pretty early yesterday, like around 11 I went to bed, which is like very early for me, and I slept so well and I kind of woke up naturally early, so it's pretty good. Currently 12:40 and we're heading back home. Like, I'm so tired. We're back at the apartment and gonna have lunch. And I'm just gonna add some more tomato and one more avocado. My legs are like burning, but it's a good burn. I just need to stretch, I think. There were like so many people today, even more than yesterday. That was crazy. There's so many kids as well, and they're so cute, like skiing and snowboarding, and they're like so good at it. Like they're just not scared at all. Also, we've been bouldering these past weeks, so we might do that, but I'm not really sure if I have the strength to do it, but we'll see. The weather is so nice outside. I just wanna like take advantage of it as well. So maybe go out and have a walk. First, I'm gonna eat. I'm really hungry. Okay, we're headed to bouldering. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do anything because my muscles are really sore, especially my legs, but my arms are also a little bit sore, but we'll see. And I really like this hairstyle. Let's go. Good morning. This is the next day. Today is our third day on the mountains. We watched the newest episodes of Singles Inferno 4 and it was really good. We only watched one of the two new episodes because I wasn't really feeling well. I'm not really sure if I'm just tired from all the skiing and waking up early, or if I got a sunstroke or I got a cold. I'm not really sure, but I'm feeling a lot better today. We're gonna take it chill. It's past midday now and we're feeling very tired, so we're not going skiing and it's gonna be really crowded at this time, so it's not really worth it. I got ready. As you can tell, I tried a new hairstyle. I don't know if you like it, but yeah, I'm gonna try to take some pics. I kind of lost my phone holder for my tripod. I really don't know where it is, and I don't know, there's not much stuff here, so I doubt that I lost it. I don't know. I need to find it. It's a really nice day again. I'm actually sweating right now and I'm only wearing this and a heat tech underneath. But yeah, I'm gonna be careful with the sun, but I really like it. It's really nice. This is my go-to to take pics by myself. It's a little like shutter. I used it in my solo trip in Japan and that was really nice. I found it. I'm gonna take some more pics and then, I don't know, we're probably gonna head out to lunch.